Hey guys, it's Keith with Yarbrough & Sons, and this is why you want to have maintenance on your unit. 90 plus furnace, they are a condensating furnace, so they do have moisture that comes in with this. If you started seeing rust, that would be a good indication to start looking other places of why you have rust. We should not have any kind of rust forming on these. These should be in dry areas. Why you would have that rust is we're going to look at something like a condensating issue, and when we pulled this all the way apart, you can really see what happened here is this is a cold header, and this is where all the moisture collects, and then it drains out in front. Definitely cracked at some point and started leaking down this way, and that's why we're getting all this rust. This hole right here, it actually goes through to the heater. That would have been letting out carbon monoxide gas. I mean, we're letting it out in the airstream. That's going straight into your house. Thankfully, what probably kept this from firing off is such a big gap in it. You probably had an airstream going in there, and it was actually not allowing your flame to actually ignite. So that's why we have safeties on there, is for things like that. Now, you could have a smaller hole in the heat exchanger and getting carbon monoxide in your house and it not go off. So there's all kinds of different scenarios, but possibly we could have caught this when it was actually under warranty and replaced the actual heat exchanger back then. This is definitely a value. Just to have a set of eyes on this, of somebody who knows what they're looking at, is a great way to help prevent and look at saving a lot of money from not having to replace the whole unit. We highly recommend contacting your local professional to have it serviced and have it looked at once a year.